burnt. I like it. I like the burnt part. Hi guys, maayong aga. Good morning guys. I'm watching the tofu. I think this is not Erwin. Probably looks like Erwin tofu, but anyway, I'm just watching. I'm doing laundry and I'm watching about the Trillanes thing that he is live on YouTube, right? He was live on YouTube, and I'm just watching about. There is a lot of documents that he's talking about Trillanes have a lot of bank account, a few countries actually. This Trillanes thing, guys, it's ridiculous. Oh, they walk away now. No, the turkey walk away. The turkey walk away. Roxy is shaking. She's shaking. She's shaking. Hey, stop it. Roxy, boy. Did you hear that? Han, I have 3 dogs now here. Oh, there's still one more left. Yeah, the turkey doesn't like you guys. And there is a squirrel too. What the heck? Roxy. No. I won't let you out. No, you cannot. No, I won't let you out. I know, but I cannot. I won't. Yeah, good girl. Ay, nako. Oh. If you've been watching my vlog, you know that already that I'm always like, hold on guys, you know, I'm talking openly, but not to the point that openly that you can get my identity. Oh my lord, guys, you see that? Did you see that? This is my life. Hi guys, meron pa ring battery yung ano ko. Yung I'm just watching Little Miss Ames, yung vlog niya from Dubai. I'm just watching you, sis. Battery, meron pang battery, kaunti na lang. Malulubat na ito baka later, and I still have to make some biko cake. I'm wearing some sweater because it's freezing. It's not really freezing, kaunti lang na ano ba, yung kaunti lang. It's kinda chilly out. Little bit of rice, little bit of salmon, little bit of string beans. I still have the string beans. Yes, I'm eating it really slowly. Slowly guys, kasi para naman meron akong gulay. Oy. So anyway, yun lang ang ano ko, kakainin ko. Feeling fresh na ako ngayon. And then I have to go upstairs to do some folding. But anyway guys, kakain lang ako at babalikan ko kayo later. Bye!
Floating away with you in the backseat of my car. We're timeless, sailing through, but tonight, no, we can't go far. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot last, but at last I can finally see.
I'm folding the laundry. Hi guys. And then I also watch a okay, stop it over there. I am also watching I'm using the cell phone camera because my camera is downstairs and that will be low but very soon. I decided to go to my Amazon Prime, which is actually its time is Amazon Prime. Okay, so I want to watch this movie, which is, it's been a while, the 50 Shades of Grey. Roxy's really confused what Hub's doing inside. Hubs is right there. Go crazy and Roxy want to know. Look, Hubs is in that tubular. I know, you're sad. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. I know. I know. I'm not talking. I'm not even looking at you. You think I'm filming you? And you make that noises now? Yeah, I'm not even looking at you. I'm looking at... Ay, naku, pagkagaraon yun ni mo kuan ba utok ba? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Huh? What do you think you're doing? Maliit lang siya. So, ayun na. Tapos ko na siya. Yan, no, guys. Yan na siya. Tapos ko ng hugasan. So, easy lang naman ito, guys. Next step mo is, yung gawin mo is the latex. I'm going to do it now. Starting to stick, but look at it. It's not really that sticky yet. Separate it here. Because I'm not planning to put everything just in case, you know. Oy, kahumot sa biko. May dukot pa siya. It's burnt. I like it. I like the burnt part. So, ito siya. It's still too much water for me. I mean, it's still kind of more moist, wet. I'm just gonna keep heating it right here to low. So, lulutuin ko siya dyan. Luto na siya, guys. This is cooked already. I just want to make it more not too wet. Because it's, look, I think it's too much latex. I don't know what to do with this. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna cook another one. I hope I have close friends. I have a friend that lives close here that I can just give a biko, you know. Other people put ginger in here. I don't like it because it's supposedly dessert. There's not supposedly be ginger, you know. Guys, it is a different day, but I forget to end this vlog properly, this vlog that you're watching right now. And so I'm gonna end this vlog. Yeah, I'm talking about this vlog when I'm editing right now. I'm talking also that I've been watching I watched the 50 Shades of Grey. Oh my god, guys, I so liking it, but I end up paying for $3 to rent the movie because the Prime, Amazon Prime, I don't let you watch that movie for free, so you have to rent $3. So I end up paying $3 for renting. And also I wanna watch the second one, the next to that, okay, the movie that next to the 50 Shades of Grey, but I don't want to pay another rent, guys. There it's need to be renting. But anyway, I'm just here to end the vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, the movie is so good. I'm sure you guys watch it already. Yeah, it's been a long time. Please subscribe into this channel and also hit the like button and the notification bell also, that will notify you every day I upload a video. I will see you guys in my next video, okay? Thank you guys. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Even if they're really sweet, you never know that they just snap on that guy. If they want to, you, they're the boss. And they'll match their will to your will.